Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be using the 123 Go nails from Enailcouture. And this is the kit. You have the base coat, the primer, the flashing curing light. And this whole thing came in a nail boxy box for the month of October. It came with different nail sets. It also came with um, everything you need, pretty much different nail styles like short, square, coffin. But for today's video I will be doing the medium coffin nails one. So my nails look like this because if you guys remember, I was doing the Kiara Sky jelly tips, so this is why my nails look like this. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of cleaning the nails. So the first thing I do, I will go ahead and remove all the dead skin from my cuticle area with this nice bead. And you can do this, there's different types of beads you can use. You don't need to use this one, but I have a few of them, so every now and then I just select whatever I want or which one I want, since I have a few of them. So for this one I decide to use this one. So I go very gently in the cuticle area, remove all my dead skin, and very gently I will go up a little bit, and I will lower the speed because I don't want to do this fast on my natural nail. The next step is I'm using this sanding band and with a very low speed because I'm not gonna hurt my natural nail. I don't want to file really strong or anything like that. So we have to take care of our natural nails. So I'm just doing this very slow, which I'm just removing all the shine from the nail. We have to do this in order for the base coat to adhere very well to our nails. So I will do this in all of the nails, and you guys can see that by doing this also remove the little pretty much the white stuff that was left when I took off the jelly tips. And the next thing I do is I will file down my nails because I want them all to grow at the same length. Also, I grab a buffer and very slowly I will go through my nails as well. And I grab my bottle, which has half of water and half alcohol, and with a Freeland wipe I will clean everything. And you guys can see how good they looking, very healthy. There's no damage to my nail. They look very good. If you guys see those white lines, that is okay. That is normal to happen. That's when I remove the other one, so it is normal to happen. It didn't happen on all of the nails, so we are good for another application. Now, if you take your acrylic nails without soaking them in acetone and your nails look horrible, please don't put another application of nails. You have to wait until those nails heal, because if you do that, you're gonna hurt your natural nail and a lot of things are going to happen. A lot of things can go bad. So just give time for your nails to heal. In this case, I think they look good, so I'm gonna continue. I use my I don't know how you call those things to remove the dead skin, and then I will go ahead and place the primer. And look how beautiful is the bottle with the little bowl and everything. Enailcouture has a lot of cute bottles, like their design is very cute. So this is the base coat. So you guys saw that I put the primer, let it dry, and then I will go with a thin layer of the base coat. And one thing I like, guys, about this base coat is that it's very thin. Comparing to the Kiara Sky one, that thing was thicker like glue, okay? This one is very thin and I can easily go through all the nails. So I apply a thin layer in all of my nails, and this is so easy to manage, guys. This is so thin, very easy to manage. It's not very sticky like the other one. So once I clean on the side, make sure there's nothing on the side, I cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds. The next thing is I will go and apply the base coat on the nail tip. And on this one, I don't have to worry for the base coat to come out like in bubbles, like it happens with the Chiara Sky Jelly Teas, because this base coat is very thin, so I can put a little bit or a little bit more. And what I did this time, I was holding the flash curing light with my mouth, yes, and at the same time I was holding the nail tip, and I'm gonna put it close to my mouth, and you guys can see the light is because I'm holding it with my mouth, and you guys will see how easy it is versus having the lamp, the mini lamp, versus just putting this in my mouth and just curing it. And it was a perfect application. There was no bubbles, there was no base coat coming out or anything like that. In a few seconds, I'm gonna let it go and you guys will see how easy this process was. And and now that I'm doing this voiceover, it's been 2 weeks since I recorded this video, and I'm looking at them now and they still there. I mean, not one of them have fall, there's no lifting, they just still there. And look how perfect this application look, guys. There's no bubbles, it's easy. So it was very easy to apply, I would say. One recommendation I can do, if you have one of these flash curing lights and if you have like one of those cell phones holders, you can put it there, and that way the light will point down while you cure or hold your nail tip. So I'm gonna do the same thing for all of the nails. Look. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my file just to file the little top of the tip to remove that pointy. And I'm gonna use my 5-in-1 bead. I can definitely use a sanding band, it will be the same thing. And just go over the cuticle area just to make sure if I have any base coat coming out of the tip, just remove that and just clean the dust. And for these nails, I'm not gonna do anything like extra. We're gonna be doing a very simple nail tutorial. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the Beetles base coat on all of my nails, and I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds under the lamp, and this will help me adhere my gel polish. So that's why it's very important to put a base coat, so that way your gel polish will last. And once I'm done putting the base coat, it's called foundation, so pretty much it's like a base coat, but it's called foundation for Beetles. I will go ahead and cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Once I cure in the lamp, I'm going to be using this beautiful color from Chiara Sky. And I love that these bottles from Chiara Sky, look at this brush. The way the brush is designed, it is perfect for you to apply the gel polish in the hand that is not your dominant hand. If you guys remember when I did the wedding nails, it was horrible to apply the gel polish because it was hard because obviously I write with my right hand and this is my right hand. So versus now, look how nice this application is. I absolutely love the brush from this gel polish. If they were not that expensive, I would buy the whole collection, to be honest with you. But unfortunately, they are very expensive in my own opinion. Um, but the colors are beautiful and they have lasted me a while. I have no lift from that color, no chip from that color. I still have them. So because I want a very intense color, I will go ahead and do two coats on all of my nails. And you guys can see how beautiful it is brush. It's, I would say, like an oval type of shade brush, so that's why it makes the application way easier versus the other gel polishes. I really love this polish. They're, I mean, Chiara Sky has amazing products, I'm not gonna lie. Their acrylics are good, the gel polishes are amazing. A little bit pricey, but a lot of the things they have are good, especially the lamp. I love their lamp, I do have it. um, And this is the color, guys. It's called Sugar High, and they are cruelty free. And here you have it. I'm just giving you a close up of the bottle. And it says 30 seconds to cure. And I put it for 60. Well, that's fine. But it's a very beautiful color. And this is how they look. What do you guys think? This is like a very interview color, office color, work everyday nails, natural nails. And you can even do like a French on white. Oh my God, that would look beautiful. So here I'm just gonna do something very simple, guys. I'm gonna grab some black gel polish to do some circles, maybe some lines going around like this. Since this is very popular, I'm just gonna use one color for this because if not, this video will be very long. So I'm just gonna do a line like this, and then on the other ones I'm gonna be doing other type of uh, I will be doing other kind of like curves or lines. One thing I have to say is that I was using nail polish to do these lines, and for some reason, I think that the color was not enough, like it was not like strong enough. So you will see me switching for gel base, pretty much like a gel paint color, and you guys will see in a minute. And after I switch around to that gel color, the color was more pigmented than versus, I don't know, than the gel polish. But now that I'm looking at them, I think they pretty much look the same. But for some reason, one difference I can tell is that gel polish will kind of like expand when you use gel polish for these type of things. I strongly believe that they, when you do the line, it kind of like expand versus when it's like a paint gel, it just will stay there. I think that's what I see happen. Especially after you cure, you will be able to see it. But it's not a big of a difference. I think that the only difference I can see, like you guys see, I'm using the red iguana black gel paint, and you guys will see the difference now. I think that the gel paint is darker than gel polish. Is that make sense? Like with this one, I find that is, I will say, easier versus the gel polish. Maybe because it's a paint gel, it works easier for me. I don't know what you guys think. I do have paint gel in different colors that I got from Witch and eBay, and I absolutely love them. I just sometimes I forget to use it. I have too much stuff. But this is what I did with these nails, guys. I just do some lines, some and then I do some curve and stuff like that. You can also add different colors. Like if I wanted to, I can add like a red color and put the line close to this one, and it will look very, very pretty. So once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And once it's cured in the lamp, I will go ahead and use my top coat. So the top coat I'm gonna be using is the Chiara Sky top coat, which is one of my favorite. But once again, this top coat is very thick. It has a very thick consistency, which is this one. And I like it that is a no wipe top coat. And you got to be very careful when using this, because as you guys can see, I went into two nails and then I dip it again because it's very thick, okay? But it's one of my favorites. It's very shiny. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that and cure in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And after this, I will go ahead and use the Enailcouture cuticle oil, which smells amazing, which is a red bottle like this one. I'm sorry, pink bottle. And you can see how cute are all of their stuff. Their designs and everything is really, really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some cuticle oils on my nails, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will do another update on these nails. They are called 1, 2, 3 Go nails. Pretty much way better than press-on nails, of course. So let's see how long they last, you know. Let's see how they do, and I will give you guys a 3 weeks update like I did with the Chiara Sky ones, and let's see how they do. Hopefully they do better, and I'll keep you guys updated. Don't forget to follow me on social media. There is a giveaway going on my blog. I will put all the links in the description box so you guys don't miss that giveaway. And I will say thank you to the new subscribers. Hi, welcome to my channel. You guys will have fun in here. I'll have fun nail tutorials. You guys will not get bored. You guys will see. Okay, so I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not. Okay, bye.